welcome back to the channel. This is just a sort of quick video for you as we're going off on our holidays for a month. We want to feel safe, so just adding a little bit of security to the motorhome. This is from a company called CAMPERPROTECT, and they're from Germany. And what it basically does is provide a small internal anchor to the door to stop anyone picking the door and opening it and just dashing in and getting stuff and coming back out. It locks from inside, so when you're asleep it's a bit of extra security and peace of mind. So I'll show you what it is in a second. So this is what we've got. I've already fitted one to one of the doors. Basically all you have is bracket there which attaches to the door via the door card. You have a chain with carabiner and a lock at this end, which hook that drops over the bottom seatbelt anchor. This is a sticky label which goes on to there to stop it twisting, and all you need to do this job is one T40 Torx screwdriver and the instructions. It takes about 5 minutes. So the anchor as you can see there, the anchor slots in there, drops and pulls back and attaches to the bottom anchor point of the motorhome. The other part being this bit here, which is added on. The carabiner drops in. Let me just get the other one to show you. Drops in there like so, so it's easily removable, and the other bit attaches to the lower seatbelt anchor, which basically makes the you can crack the door open, but that's about it. You can't get any purchase behind to pull it. So with that, all you do is inside there you can just see the T40 Torx screw. Undid and removed that one. There's one there. Loosen that off and then just ease back the door card so that there was enough gap. You can use panel tools, the soft ones, to keep it open, but once you've sort of done a test fit, then apply your adhesive pad. Make sure there's enough room for this to slide in without touching. What I did was I put a little bit of card in there just to give me the room to slide it in. And once I got the screw located and all this, tightened it up, and Bob's your uncle. Tightened up the bottom one, and that's it. 5 minutes. Okay, see you in a bit. So there is the bracket there, and here is the chain. So basically put that on there like that, and that is as much as you can get.
Sorry?
It's all right. Yes, so sorry, rudely interrupted. That's what it does. Stops them getting in any further, because that's quite a... So that's the CAMPERPROTECT. All the bits will be in the description below. It's not just this boxer, it's the Stellantis group vans that they use, like Peugeot, Citroen, Fiat, Sprinter and the Mercedes, Crafter, Volkswagen, and of course Ford Transit. All of these have got the things, and they also have what they call the PrickStop, which prevents anyone from sliding a screwdriver up and unlocking the central locking by removing the bar. So the PrickStop is also good, and a lot of other bits. It's well worth looking at the site. Okay, catch you later. Yeah. So these door straps, as called them, they do them for various series of Peugeots, Citroens and Fiats. They do 3 different types for the Fiat that I know of. They also do what they call a pick lock, which is a cover that goes over the actuator arm to stop people putting screwdrivers up by the lock barrel and forcing the mechanism to auto open, like you push the remote locking. So yeah, various other bits. Have a look on the website. It is in the description below. Well worth the hassle on that. So if you like this, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. It's free. There's not a lot free these days. Hit the bell on the notifications when the box drops. Hit the all and you'll get notifications for all our vlogs. So we're nearly ready for our holiday, so TTFN will keep in touch.